Today we're making beef enoki rolls. These bite-sized rolls feature deliciously tender sliced beef wrapped around delicate enoki mushrooms and then cooked over a bed of caramelized onions in a savory and lightly sweetened sauce. This popular dish is a play off of the Japanese beef dish, gyudon. The best part is this beef enoki roll recipe only requires a handful of ingredients and can be ready to eat in under 20 minutes. The prep for this dish is quite easy. First, remove the dirty base of the enoki mushrooms. Then, after cleaning the mushrooms, divide them into smaller bite-sized bundles. One package of enoki mushrooms should yield about 12 to 15 bundles. Next, we will roll these mushrooms with thinly sliced beef. Ribeye or sirloin have great flavor and can be easily found in the shabu-shabu or KBBQ section of your local Asian market. Be sure to tightly wrap the mushrooms to prevent the rolls from slipping apart while being cooked. To create the sauce, combine dashi broth, soy sauce, mirin, sugar, and black pepper. See the description below for the detailed ingredient amounts. Next, we will thinly slice the yellow onion before adding some oil to a large skillet on medium heat. Add the sliced onion to the pan to caramelize them. This should take 3 to 5 minutes, but stir often to prevent the onions from burning. Place the enoki beef rolls on a single layer above the onions. Then pour in the sauce before covering the pan and cooking for 3 minutes. Then flip the beef rolls and cook for another minute or two. While the rolls cook, scramble the eggs in a mixing bowl and then drizzle the egg over the enoki beef rolls. Simmer for 2 minutes until the egg is cooked through. Finally, garnish with sliced green onions and toasted sesame seeds before serving. This easy dish is best served over a bed of warm white rice. And don't forget to drizzle the delicious broth on top. Like and subscribe for more easy recipes.